Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP video update for Friday 22 of July. Now I do see the very first green candle after such a long time in the Heikki Nashi, and that actually tells me that, when you see a green candle after a long time in a Heikki Nashi, that means that the next 2 or 3 weeks can actually be green. Okay, so the first green candle, you still made a series of green candle there. First green candle here, made another little bit of green candles as well, and then you have the very first green candle on the Heiken Ash. You can see the Heiken Ash actually filters all the candlesticks, and it actually shows you the filtered version of it. But you can see that this is for the very first time you're putting in a bullish candlestick. So you see, when you don't have a wick to the upside and you have a red candle with a wick to the downside but not wick to the upside, that's bearish candle. Similarly, when you have a wick to the upside and not to the downside with a green candle, that's actually a bullish candle on the Heiken Ashi. But if I dive into the normal candles, you're gonna see that we have a very unfiltered looking candlestick. So what I'm gonna do is dive into the smaller time frame and talk about the small time frames as well. So here we are on the daily at the moment. So last time we actually went to the technical target, met the technical target like a boss, and at the moment, as far as I see things, you've actually made the successful retest for SLP at the moment. Okay, so this is something that previously I've been talking about, and 2 times you failed to cross that level. So the first resistance right over there, second resistance right over here, and now you've held the retest, and that is a pretty much confirmation and ticket booking that SOP is going to actually be moving up again, maybe to 517. So I would say 517 is going to be a technical target. So do actually keep in mind a stop loss of 411 right over there. And that's it for today's update on SLP. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.